Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
During the tongue blossom season, the Yuanlinzai community in Jiayi City comes to life, and one private owner opens his doors to the public to share his amazing view of the blossom-covered mountains. There are historical and ecological sites that are also worth checking out, like the ancestral Ji family house. Built as a religious center for Hakka people, the Baozhong Yimin Temple is the largest Yimin temple between central and southern Taiwan. Every year, it holds 3 major festivals, the most important being the Pudu Yimin Festival. Hakka people visit the temple, perform dragon and lion dances, and feast during the celebration.
Hey, what's up, everyone? It's time to talk about Hakka here on FM 100 ICRT.Hello,
大家好，我是阿兵哥 Leo.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling, Lim Zhu. And along with Leo, this month we're going around the island to different places to go gaze at the tongue flower blossom. 我们带着大家呢，全台湾走透透啊，要去这个赏桐花。
好啊，没问题。我们就来去嘉义市的燕里美沙崎。
燕里美沙崎。
就是一个当地的地名叫做园林仔。
It's a community in Jiayi City, again called Yanlime. So 去这个园林仔呢，可以做什么呢？
哎呦，我要带你去看桐花
啊！对啊，
我朋友在那边呢，他们家有一个私房景点啊。
私房景点表示不是普通人可以进去，对不对？
但是这个屋主他是非常大方，每次到了那个桐花盛开的时间呢，他就会开放给大家来这参观。
Wow. Okay, so there's actually a house over there that opens to the public. It's actually a private house, but only opens to the public because the owner is so generous during tongue flower blossom for people to come and visit. And 他那边一定是桐花很多啦。
当然咯。
He has a lot of tongue flowers in his house or around his house. So that is definitely a house worth checking out, especially this month and next month. 好，那除了这个私房屋之外，还有哪里可以去呢？
另外在嘉义市还有一个包种一闽庙，也是历史蛮久了哦。
Okay, 就是义民庙。
对，义民庙。
Okay, when it comes to the temples and all the culture associated with that, don't forget the Hakka are very religious.With the Yiming Temple, and there's a Yiming Temple that you can find in Jiayi as well. Go check it out, okay? Let's review these terms. The community is called Yuanlinzai.
Yanlime Saki.
Yanlime Saki. And when you're there, also check out the Yiming Temple, Yiming Miao.
Yiming Miao.
Yiming Miao. And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么大家？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.